Cycling through park-like forests and lush green fields, it's easy to see why Switzerland is so vibrant. It gets plenty of rain. Along the way, we pass rest stops with picnic setups and neatly stacked firewood, all ready for a spontaneous barbecue. That's the Swiss way, orderly, generous and practical.
Our next stop is the small chapel of Maria zum Schnee, one of many in the region. Those chapels reflect Switzerland's Christian heritage and offer a quiet moment of reflection.
Scattered along the route are cute farm shops, stocked with homemade products. Eventually, we reach the ruins of Nüneck Castle, perched above the village of Lieli. Built in the first half of the 13th century by the Lords of Lieli, it was destroyed by Swiss troops in the spring of 1386. Today, the remains can be viewed from a platform, a peaceful overlook where history meets nature.